And now, after checking about the stainless steel working table, storage bank, serving trolley workshop, I will show you another workshop of our stainless steel electric water boiler. This is also our Foshan models. We create the electric water boiler production line in 2018, and now we already can ship about 10 containers in a month to overseas market for the water container, for the water boiler orders. This is our electric water boiler workshop. Now I will show you the workshop inside. Let you know about our production process of our electric water boiler. Come away. We could have, this is the semi-finished products after rolling our material, and this is the body for our stainless steel water boiler. We could help our customers make color printing on this body, like this, the yellow one. This yellow water boiler is going to export it to Middle East countries, and we could also customize different colors that you want. You just need to send me your color sample and your design, your drawing. We could help you customize easily. And we also have this, the green one. The green one is exported to South African markets. And come over this way. We also have the water test process before shipment of our water boiler. And now the water boiler is doing the water test to make sure them a lot easy to link during boiling. And after testing, we will send them to clean, and then we will send them for repackaging. And this is the spare parts of our UV sterilizer. This is also one of our electric models, and this is the body of the UV sterilizer. This product is also hot sale during this outbreak. Why? Because it could sterilize the lights and bulbs or even masks after use the UV light. If you are interested in these products, just contact with me immediately, and we will reply you as soon as possible. Okay. After checking about our water boiler workshop, I want to take you to our QC room to see how our QC team tests our products before shipment. Actually, we have 8 members in our complete QC team, our own QC team. Because as I mentioned before, we need to catch up with the international standard of our product quality. So we focus in our product quality improvements. So we set about 8 members in our QC team. 2 members impact of the processing process of our production, and 2 members for the material inspection, and 4 members for the finished products inspection before shipment. And after our QC team checking about our products, they will also make a quality test report, and our sales team colleague will send this quality control test report to our customers to let them check our quality before shipment. And if it is necessary, we could also welcome the third-party inspection company to inspect our company and our products if it is necessary. And we are also a member of the BSCI. BSCI is very important for the European market. And our major market is Europe and America. We also have many other different certificates for our products like LFGB, NSF, CCB, Roche for our electric products. And if you need a special certificate for our products, we could also help you make it too. But you need to tell us about your ideas first so we can go to the next part. Now we are already get to our QC control team. This is our QC room, our QC quality control department. Now our QC is checking the customer's rank, customer fast food rank Charlie before shipment. This also the custom-made products. Of our customers from Australia. This Charlie is for the fast food trays, and you can see now the QC is measuring the size and checking the quality of the trolley. Okay, after checking about our QC room, our whole workshop, I think you must have approximate understanding about our company. Now we will go back to our online showroom to tell you more details about our products. Okay, let's go.